Okay, one more. Shout out. Sige na, say shout out.
No.
Let it snow. Ala, nagunahunaw pa siya, ma. Aga. What's your name? Aku. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Wow! Good morning mga gwapo. Nagdito tayo sa labas ng bahay, guys. Ay tutugnaw dito. Tignan nyo, is snowing. Snowflake. ang asawa ko tumatawa doon. Snowflakes, snowflakes. Para akong baliwala. Hala, there's a snow. Hala ka, guys. Tignan nyo si Jessica. Si Jessica. Hi. Hi. Oh, dito tayo, guys. Meron tayong snow. What? What? This? This? Ah, it's a tap. Pinapatuyok niya ako dito ng tap. Hala, there's a water. Merong tap. Saan ito? Galing sa ulan? Honey, is this? Is from the rain? Is it from the rain? Yeah.
Still going.
It's still going.
The other way.
No.
No, take it the other way. All the way. The other way, that's it.
Alright. Guys, nag-snow dito, guys. Tignan nyo. Yes! Doon sila. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Wow! Ay, alam mo naman. The neighbors are looking.
Oh, what are you doing?
They might think I'm crazy. Okay. What na?
I want to go.
You need jacket if you go. Hey, it's not cold. Honey, it's not super cold.
Super cold.
Nandito pala yung nanay ko, guys. Iniwan ni Jessica. Kuling-kuling. Shoes? You wanna go out? Nah. Go out. Higher. You like it in here? Let it snow. Ala, nagunahunaw pa siya, ma. Agay. Sipat yun ning anak. Ay, apo ni Rosie Jean, oy. Igna. Nak, you say, hello, everyone. You say ba, hello, everyone. Na, nangdakop og snow, ma. Nang huhuli ng snow si Jessica. Nara. Marag tiguang. Na, nagdakop og snow. What's that? What's that? Oh. Makuptan, ma, before mahili. See? You like it in here? You like it in here? Where's Daddy?
Here. Up here.
Up here. Ang lamig, oy, nagkukurog-kurog. You like it? Where's your hair, Jessica, oy? Let it snow. Sing na yun. Let it snow. Sige, sing.
Let it snow.
Ako, manang dagway, oy. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow.
Mommy, so heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what's this?
What's that? It's leaves.
What's this?
Dance na yun, be. Sige, dance. Ay! 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 Sige, dance. Ay! 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 Yo! 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 Snowflakes! Snowflakes! Para manang kabayo. Oy! Miss Universe! Sige! Jessica! Miss Universe! Miss Universe. Teng, 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 teng. Nakapalda.
Oh, spiderweb.
Spiderweb daw kuno, mama. Spiderweb. So, what's that?
That's what Lisa said. This is a little bit more.
What, a little bit anymore?
This is this magnet.
Magnet. It's not magnet, it's a light. You like it?
Lista, that's a silver banana.
Yeah. Can we...
Oh, look, mommy numbers.
What? What number is that?
8.
8.
Yes, that's us. Rainbow.
Rainbow 8.
Rainbow 8.
Sura si Jessica. Show them what you got, be.
Wow.
Sige guys, magkalkal basura tayo guys. Meron tayong nakitang mahiwagang. Yeah. Lah, ang dami nak oh.
Look, mommy.
Yeah.
What is it?
Itong gamit na to guys, sa dating nagtira dito sa bahay. Oh, ano to? What's this? Jessica. Magkalkal basura tayo dito sa UK guys. Ito oh. Mga basurira.
Mommy, there's a toys.
Yeah, there's a toys in here. Show them. Hala, ang dami oh.
A gummy. A
Show
spoon.
tita. What's that?
A spoon. What's that doing here?
What's that doing here? Ma, look. Rose gold. Nakapulot kami ng ginto. Ginto.
Mommy. Mommy's there.
Huh?
It's a house.
Yeah, it's a house. Sige.
Tito, tito.
Tito, dik. Sige, kalkal dia na. Sige. What's this here? Oh, wow. It's for candles. It's for candles, guys.
Mommy,
Oh,
look.
maalok.
Look, mommy.
Glass. Ane, look.
Oh, the baby's crying.
Is it? Wala, naghilak ng bata, ma. Nak, let's go inside sa ta. Kalkal basura.
Boy.
Guys, magkalkal tayo ng basura dito, guys. Ito yung mga basura na tinapon ng nagtira dito. Titignan natin kung meron tayong makitang ginto. Charot. Tinapon lang nila, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh, tinapon lang nila.
Let's play a house.
Ito din,
Ready,
oh.
steady, go.
Ang ganda nito, oh. What's that?
A house.
A house. Oh. Oops. There's a house. Show them, tita.
Look. Uy.
Hala, meron pang mga biskwit.
Mommy.
Yes.
Really good. This.
That.
My paints. Mommy, that's my
Oh,
paint.
Christmas card. For
Mommy.
auntie.
That's my paint.
Yeah.
Oh. Look. A toy.
There's a lot.
That's a toy.
Grabe, tinapon lang nila yung mga gamit nila.
Oh, to paint it. Oh, the paper. Not the paper. The paper. Mommy.
Yeah.
What's that?
What? It's a paper.
Paper.
Yeah. Wala, maganda to, oh. Lagyan ng succulent.
This is the cat. It is a book.
Yeah, you can plant something. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh, merong kuan, guys. Ito, oh.
The cat is like a big.
Yeah.
Need a book.
Tinapon lang nila to guys. O yung pushchair. Wala, ang ganda pa naman. Wala. Wait, anak ba? Let's see how it's gonna work.
It's babies, mommy.
Yeah, it's for baby.
Yeah, that's babies. Like that.
Like that. Tapos, paano?
Also like the baby toys. The purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
Oh,
It's
tara.
a big color.
Lovely na. Tapos,
This is like the color. Red, orange,
ana
yellow,
siya. Ayun na. Okay.
blue, purple. So many colors in there, mommy.
Show me that color.
Look. See? Look, mommy.
Yeah.
Lovely color.
Pamparam, pam, pam, pamparam, pam, pam.
Green, yellow,
Uy, paano ba to?
red. So many colors. Wow, that's so nice.
Parang sinira ko na.
Dun, 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 dun. This is for kitty cat.
Halak ka, tinapon lang nila ito, guys.
Say, kitty, see, eat this one. Say, need to put your water.
Yeah.
Say, someone to eat. Say, litter.
Next one, dito na. Hala, uy.
Look.
Hindi man makabli, uy.
The cat. Honey.
Here siya. Push here. Tingnan natin tong isang ano, guys, ito. Baka meron tayo makita dito kung ano. Kayamanan na ginto. Baka may ginto dito, guys. Come. Look. Goodness. Just put it in there. Hala, guys. Hala, oh. Hala ka, tinapon lang ninyo.
Yummy, yummy.
Amariti biscuit with apricot kernels. Tignan nyo. 2021 pa ang date, guys. 9/25/2021. Hindi nila binuksan. Uy, hala. Hala pa, ang dami. Hala. Ang dami, guys, oh. Tignan nyo, 3 pack. Kaluka man to, uy, oh. Hindi nyo, guys. Grabe, as in, tinatapon lang nila to. Nandito siya, oh, sa grocery bag nila. Nandito, oh. Ayan. Nandito siya. Lah, 4 pala. Hala, ka-4 na po as, guys. Ganito. Oh. Wala sa atin ba? Hindi talaga tayo magtapon ng ganito kahit na isang piraso lang. Tignan nyo. Hala ka, guys. Bungga. Hala ka. Pero iwan ko baka ayaw ni Mister kasi pagkain siya. Para tayo na grocery, oh. Hala. Oh, yan, ang dami. Meron pa, guys. Hawa sa niya. Naman to, Jessica. Uy. Meron pa dito, guys. Tignan natin to. Ay, mga laruan sila, guys. Alam nyo yung laruan sa... Hala. Uy, dito dyan, oh, sa garden. Ang dami, oh. Yung mag-garden-garden ka. It's bucket na.
That's for the kind of fish.
Yeah. Wala, isang ganito siya, oh, yung laruan.
Mommy.
Grabe, ang dami. Give me, come here. Meron pang pushchair, merong Ito talaga guys. O, tingnan nyo yan guys. O, mga pagkain. O. 2021 pa yung expiration niya. Ngayong January, February, March, April. Mga October. This one. Let's look at this. What's cited? Tignan natin to guys. Baka, ang daming pagkain. Grabe, hindi nila dinala. Ay, mga frozen. No, don't touch it, Nak. It's dirty. Ay, mga frozen to. Ayoko nito.
Ew.
It's ew. Na, kalkalbasura tayo dito sa UK, guys. Mga basurira. Nandun yung isang basurira, oh. Yung partner kong basurira. Ah,
Look.
what's that?
It's for a toy. Like a bee.
Mm-hmm. Yan, oh. Hindi ko kukunin yan, guys. Kasi, baka mayroon na rin yung bacteria.
Mommy, I love a play. Oh, my house.
This one, your house, you like that?
Yes.
Just leave it here. I think it's dirty, Nak.
Oh, dirty. Dirty house is
This pushchair. Yun, oh. Maganda yun, oh. Yung mga pangbahay. Ito. Mga ano to? Latte. Sponge.
Money toy.
Yeah. Ito, oh. Meron pang biscuits, guys. Oh, Tesco Digestives.
Yummy.
Dapat kasi itapon na to. Don't touch it, Nak. It's dirty, Nak.
Okay.
Hala, merong VIP card, oh. Loyal. Ano to? Buffalo. Sa restaurant to nga buffalo, guys. Mayroong headset. Ano pa to nandito? Oh, merong pang luto.
Mommy, look.
Uy, ang daming buffalo
Mommy,
loyal.
look. Look.
Yeah. Don't touch, Nak. It's dirty.
Okay.
What's this? Red
Red.
coloring.
Coloring.
Ito, ano to? Flower. Uy, merong kuan, shades.
Mommy.
May shades. Oh, maganda pa.
Glasses.
Uy, River Island ang brand. Kukunin ko tong River Island. Oh, maganda siya, guys. Dito, kukunin ko to. Mga basurira. What's that, Jessica?
I think jeans.
Nah, that's dirty. How about this one? Meron pa ba? Hala, grabe, tinatapon lang nila itong mga River Island, no? May mga bola, may mga...
Oh, look at ball.
Ito is glue. I think it's glue.
Mommy, it's something else.
Yeah, there's a lot, yeah?
Look at toys. What's this, Mommy?
I don't know. You need to wash your hands when we're home, okay? Nandyan lang man yung bahay namin, guys. Oh, ito yung papasok dyan sa gilid. Yan. Lilinisan kasi to ni Mister kasi dito namin idadaan yung motorsiklo. Kaya tinignan namin ba kung ano ang nasa dito sa mga basura. Ayan, nakapulot tayo ng River Island. Hala, branded. Branded ba yung River Island? Branded ba to, guys? Yung River Island? Hindi ko alam. Ano ba to? Eh, hindi man mag-focus yung camera ko. Ito, guys. Ha, River Island. River Island. Baka madumi man. Uy, sukat ko daw, eh. Aray, wala man tayong ilong. Hindi man magkasya sa ating ilong.
For my paint.
Nak, this River Island is for the big
Mommy,
nose.
this one's for my paint.
Yeah, hala, hindi man to para sa akin pala. Uy, oh, mahuhol-hol, matatagak man. Agoy. Hala, hindi man to para sa akin. Wala man tayong bridge sa ilong. Sayang, River Island pa naman siya, oh. Gift. Ano to? Mga card lagi ni Ay. Free collection. Wala. Free collection. Ano sa daw ni? Fight for every heartbeat. Uy, heartbeat man. Parang sa, kuan to. Oh, ito, oh, maganda to, oh. Pero sabi ni Esther, gagamitin mo kaya yan. Kunin natin to na.
Mommy, see my tita's house.
Yeah.
Mommy, see my house.
Yeah, your house is there.
In my house.
Are you gonna bring that?
Yeah.
It's gone man, oy, not nice na. You can put that in the garden. Dali na. Ito, oh. Ganda to, ay. Dalhin ko to. Dalhin ko to, guys. Tatamnan natin ng succulent. Iwan ko yung posture. I'm not sure kasi meron na naman posture si baby na bigyan ni Ate Liv. Halik na. Are you done?
I can bring it later.
Bring it later. Where are you? What's that? Be, show mommy. Ay, basurira. Jessica, the basurira. O, dali na. Come here. Are you gonna bring your house?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Come. Bring your house. You said you wanna bring your house.
Okay.
Oh no, what's that?
Fish.
Wow, that's cute. You like that?
I want to play this one.
Okay, come here.
Okay.
How about your house?
Here.
Are you gonna bring that? No.
Bring that. And so can I bring this one?
This one, put in here.
Okay.
Your fish. Agit na lang na all the toys, be. For the, kunin natin tong mga toys, guys. Tingnan natin anong makukuha natin dito sa toys. Oh, get your house, go. Sige, kay... Si Jessica basurira. Wow, you like that? Ito si Mister, pagalitan kami kasi nagdala naman kami ng basura dito sa bahay. Umiiyak na si Jennifer. Ay, nandun. Hala.
Daddy, no!
Not more junk.
Not more junk. Ay, tignan niyo, galit siya, guys. More junks daw. Ay, nice. Bihugasan your kuan. Wash this. Okay, let's go in na kay the baby is crying. Ha? Jennifer is crying.
Somebody's crying.
Yeah, in na kay the baby is crying. Ha? Jennifer is crying.
Somebody's crying.
Yeah, I will go inside now. Wipe your hands there. Oh, is it clean now?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that?
It's a fish.
You wanna play with your fish?
Not play fish.
It's nice. Honey, is rugby?
Wales is playing now.
Is it starting?
Alex,
Kasama ko si Jennifer, baby. Hello, Jennifer. Hello. Ang rashes niya is super bad. Pamparam pam pam, pamparam param pam. Ba, what's your name? What's your name? Ay, ako. You say ako, be? What's your name? Ah, what's your name? What's your name? Ah, ako. Ako. What's your name? Ako. Grabe, guys. Oh, natutuwa na ako sa kanya kasi marunong na siyang tumawa. Nakakakita na ang ating baby. Oh, oh, oh. Are you vomiting again? Oh, oh. Oh. I think yung rashes niya is nag-a-adjust siya, guys, kasi nung lumipat kami, baka dusty yung mga gamit. Nak na. But it's normal naman daw sa bata na mayroong rashes from birthborn. Birthborn! Ba, mawawa. What's wrong? mawawala din yung rashes mo, no? No. When you're big, like your sister. No. Huh? Huh? Ako. Ay, don't you worry pala guys pag malapit yung camera kasi hindi naman cellphone yung gamit ko, yung lens. And actually, yung nakakasira ng mata is yung flash ng mga camera. So, ang aking camera is walang flashing. Yes, the baby is, I'm careful of the baby. Ang love man na. Tikaligating. Is it tikaligating, kating. Kung naririnig mo to, asi yung pakiramdam, pamparam, pam, pam, pamparam, param, pam. Titas.
Shut up.
Tita.
Tita.
Juliana.
Gianna.
Lastimada.
Latimada.
Dikat.
Dita.
Okay.
Done.
Now, next one. Okay, one more. Wala na hinuon na atong shout out. Shout out. Sige na, say shout out.
No.
Sige na, please. Shout out. Sige na.
Daddy Angie.
Shout out.
Daddy.
Ano na, vlog na lang. Shout out.
No blood.
Okay, no vlog.
Okay, no blood.
Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog for today. Salamat na maraming sa support. Bye-bye. Matutulog na kami kaya maghihimo kami ng bata. Joke lang.